Natural pest control methods for organic farming. Welcome to natural pest control methods that benefit both plants and the environment. Companion planting uses flowers like marigolds to repel harmful nematodes from tomatoes. Neem oil is a powerful organic pesticide, safe for plants and effective against pests. Encouraging beneficial insects like ladybugs helps control aphid populations naturally. Diatomaceous earth is a natural powder that cuts through the exoskeletons of insects. Crop rotation disrupts pest life cycles, preventing pest buildup year after year. Homemade garlic and chili sprays can deter a variety of pests naturally, repelling them safely. Physical barriers such as row cover shield plants from pests while allowing sunlight. Together, these methods create a harmonious garden ecosystem without chemicals. Join the organic movement for healthier crops and a safer planet with natural pest control.